No.
Shh, 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 shh.
Okay. I just want to eat.
There she's coming to eat, baby. Have you ever
Deuce.
They're deer, sweetie. You say deer?
Yeah.
Deer? You say deer?
Yeah.
Hold on, don't do that. Mommy needs it.
Boat. Boat.
It's a boat. It's a boat, honey.
My
You're
boat.
scaring the deer, sweetie. Not your deer. Not your boat. That's a sailboat, sweetie.
This is the first time well, not the first time.
Deuce.
First time we've seen this many bucks. I think.
That's a lot of bucks at once, though. Look, and there's another one coming in.
Diamond.
Another one. This is the big one.
Big one.
As if there weren't already big ones
Big
here.
one.
Pretty cool. You gotta go back to Daddy, okay? 'Cause you gotta Shh. There's something scaring them, but
It's the boat.
he's not scared. Say bye-bye, dear.
Bye-bye, dear.
That one's like, there's nothing gonna hurt me.
Yeah.
I'm loving this food. It's good.
Dear.
Shh.
Dear.
Let's go back to Daddy, okay? Where's Daddy?
Bye, dear.
Say bye-bye, dear. Do you like him? Where's the deer? Point.
Auntie.
That's the deer?
Yummy.
He was eating yummy corn. You say corn?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not really saying it right.
Hold on.
Okay, go see Daddy. Say bye-bye.
Oh, here he comes back.
Go say bye. Go say bye-bye and say, go to Daddy. Where's Daddy? Are you coming back for more? Okay, say bye-bye.